Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today, I'm going to be using some of the new products from Kellofaplan that are releasing today. I have flip throughs of all of these products on my channel, so definitely check that out. Today, is the release day, so if you're interested in purchasing this, you definitely have to get on it because I feel like these are going to sell out pretty quick. So we have two new Christmas sticker books, this really adorable Christmas planner, this one is so good. Definitely check out that flip through and Kellofaplan's website, which is linked down in my description with my affiliate link. In this video, I'm just going to focus on this Christmas sticker book from Kellofaplan and just do a nice little horizontal kind of journaling spread. So I'm going to use some horizontal sheets here. I have this. All the stickers in here are super adorable. Like, I love all the themes in here. She did such a good job with this one. There's a variety of really nice themes, different color combos and all that. But I really want to use this ugly Christmas sweater one because I just love the colors. I love how bright and colorful it is. And I think this would make for a cute spread. So, yeah, I'm just going to use these sheets here to decorate a spread. All right, so let me grab this double box first. And place this down. Whenever I use horizontal layouts, well, when I used to use a horizontal layout, I always used it as a journaling spread. That's how I like to use this one. But look how fun these sweaters are. I know they're supposed to be like ugly Christmas sweaters, but they're super cute, adorable Christmas sweaters. I'm going to use this one. So I want to put some here in the corner. And then I can layer a box on here. Okay, let's see what color. Let's do this one, this green. This is a nice green color. Let's see, do I want it this way or this way? I think I want it this way. But yeah, so cute. Super, super cute. Oh, and then there's these really cute, I'm sorry, everything is cute, just FYI. Little characters. We have a snowman. So I'm actually just going to stick him here. Let me get some scissors. Cut the bottom off a little bit. And place him here. And I have a little quote. Oh, this one says ugly Christmas sweater party. Actually, I'm going to go to the quotes. There's a bunch of quotes back here. I want the colored ones. I'm going to do this making spirits bright. Right here. Probably should have grabbed some washi too, which I'll do in a bit, but let me just keep adding more of these fun boxes and stickers. Okay, I want another one over here. I'm just going to do one though. So let's go with this blue one. It's a nice pretty color. I love the little, you got a little like cabin in the mountains. Oop. Gotta make sure this one's straight. Okay, that one there. Okay, some more boxes. Let's do some of these smaller ones in a couple places. Oops. No crooked. But yeah, it's a really fun release. I'm excited for Christmas stuff because I love Christmas. So definitely can't wait to use these stickers in my planner. Because during December, I will do all Christmas spreads. So I definitely need lots of sticker options when it comes to yeah, all the December spreads I have to make. So yeah, I'm going to put a couple of bullet points. Okay, bullet point there, and then I want to do a couple here. Let's see what color. I think yellow. Get more yellow around the spread. A couple there. And then maybe another quote. So I have these quotes. This one says, actually, let me see what it says. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the white runs out, I will drink the red. That's funny. I'm not like really a wine drinker, but I can appreciate that quote. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. Cute. Like, look how fun that is. I'm gonna grab some washi just to add a little bit here and there onto this spread because I feel like it's missing that. I have a bunch of washi. I don't know, I'm always gravitating towards this scalloped washi from Planything. I love this washi. But I don't think the colors are right. I mean, the red is good. Red and... Or I could go with just solid. It's a little boring, but solid is always a solid choice for sure. And I'm gonna have all the colors. You know what? No. I want to go with fun little scallop. Maybe I'll do solid within the spread. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna put the red up on the top. It's a reddish color. I think that'll work. Okay, let's go with red over here as well. Yeah, I'm super excited for Christmas. Can't wait. I'm not looking forward to decorating because I have so much that I need to bring to my place, and that's always my least favorite part. I mean, I love once it's like all done and everything, but oh geez, it's such a pain getting it all together. You know what? I think I'm gonna do the pink in the middle. But yeah, once it's all up, like, love it so much. It's just the whole process of doing it. Such a pain. Okay. But at least this year, like, I have my Christmas tree here already. It's so bad. I just, like, stored it on my balcony. Thankfully, I think it's fine. That's what I did last year. Because I have to lug everything from, like, my mom's to, like, here. And it's a lot. It can be a little much. Especially a Christmas tree. I think my Christmas tree is... It's a pretty big one. It's very wide. So yeah, it's kind of heavy. So I didn't want to take it back because it was just such a pain to get it up to my apartment. Oh yeah. See, washi just makes it like complete in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this side. So basically same thing. Washi. Just place the washi first. I actually have 2 Christmas trees. Like I said, they're both here, so I don't have to, you know, get them and lug them up the stairs. And then the one I have in my room, because I have one in my room and one in my living room, that one is just like a skinny one, so that one's super easy to put up and down. And I think this year I have to like just get new lights or something because I don't think my lights are going to be working. I've had that tree for, geez, maybe like 8 years, so I think the lights are starting to go out. Well, they were going out last time. So yeah, probably need new lights. Not excited about that whole process, but it'll have to get done. Okay, so let's put another little cluster over here. I feel like since I have one here, I need like a double one over here in this area. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I love this one. This one's fun. They're all fun. Just like the color with this one will go well, like that. Okay, and then I want it more in the middle. The great thing about these is they don't have to be straight. They can be crooked and they still look good. So I like that. Now I want to put one probably down here. Let me layer a box. This one. Little box here, and then I can get a little something on there. Oh my goodness, the little gingerbread guy. Super cute. Cut the white off a little bit. Place him down. And then, let's see, I have another quote over here. see what it says. It says, Christmas magic is silent. You don't hear it. You feel. You know it. You believe it. I love that. So we'll put that over here next to him. Cute. Love it. Okay, let's put more boxes. Got this pink one over here. And then I'm trying to figure out, I guess I can put one, let's see which one. I already have this one, this one. Let's see, I don't have this one. This one's super adorable. Or this one. I think I want to put this one because it's like that dark blue. Just stick it here. And boxes. More of like the smaller boxes, I think. Okay, green over here. And a blue one. More of these little things. Okay, kind of place these around. We get Santa. Put Santa over here. Little reindeer guy. Or sorry, that's Rudolph. That's Rudolph. Cute. Okay, more boxes. Let's do a blue one over here. And then I'm going to put some bullet points down. And that should be it. Okay, look how fun it is. Okay, I definitely need yellow. I have like no yellow over here. Okay, so I'll put yellow bullet points around just to get yellow. Okay, yellow there. I'll put green. I feel like I need green over here. Super adorable. Love, love, love. So cute. And there's still tons of stickers left. I could probably just need more boxes, but you know, I have other box sticker books I can grab from. I still have a good amount of these cute little sweaters. So that's good. I love it. I might grab another quote though, because I feel like I could do another quote on this spread. So, just trying to find one like size-wise that is good. I like this one. It says, Christmas is forever, not just for one day. Oh, I love that. Totally believe that. Just feel like it needs something there. Okay, I think that's it. That's so cute. I love how that turned out. Such a fun spread. But yeah, love how that turned out. So cute. So I have Christmas stickers from Kellofaplan. Again, have Christmas florals, and then this adorable planner. It also has this really cute bookmark. So cute. Definitely check out the flip through that I have on my channel. And also my affiliate link is linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.